What's up? What's up, guys? Okay, today we want to work our way through a flyer design. Here before us is a prototype. It's just like a template that I was just googling some stuff online and I came across this. I was like, this is nice. Like, can't I just implement it in my next video or my next class? So I feel very much enticed to share how to you can implement this on pixellab. So let's get it done. I have already set up some stuff. Maybe in the see more in the description text, you can actually click on see more to download this. I have an attached file for this where you can actually get some icons and then some images. I'm not actually doing everything that they did here, just to kind of show you how you can actually implement this with pixellab. So coming to what we're going to first we start with the size. I think this size is something okay, but let's see if we can actually get a close range size. So click on this icon here, and then you can check the image size. The image size, the custom ratio is 1:1. You can actually increase it, or you can actually add yours. Sometimes I use 180, it's a 150, 152, 1528 by, let's say 1600. It is not okay. 16,000. So this is okay. I think let's stick to this size. The size now is one of the things that matters, but I think you can check the size again. The image size is 1528 by 1600. That is width and height. Then coming to what we're going to draw a shape. So let's get the shape too. So for the shape too, let's say we just have to draw a shape that will cover everything. So this shape is here. So then drawing the shape, I think we have a shape. Then we can actually give it a color. Of green or white. I don't know, but I think I have to undo. So let's carry this one first. I'm going to minimize this, but then before then, let's give this a shape, a color, sorry. I think this, since it's a shape, you have to select the shape. That's this. Then go to color. Then I think, yeah, I can give it a color of black. You might just be changing the color depending, but I think black for now is okay. Then when you are done giving it color, that's the background color, you should lock it so that it will not be moving with the other ones. So lock this here. Then coming to what we're going to, before you lock, you can actually unlock it too, because I want to copy the shape. I want to copy it many times. So let's copy this, highlighting it, click on copy here. So I made a copy of this. So in this copy, we can give it a separate color. So when you give it a color, you can actually know that it's a copy of something. Then after giving this one color, come here. Then this is the one we copied new. You can lock this. Then let's play with the one we copied. So we can come here and drag this to top. Then looking at the shape we're implementing, you can actually leave it like this. Okay, so we have in our shape, we have different shape actually. I think we can actually get a shape from our this thing, from the shape to we have. Let's go and get a shape that will look perfectly like that, rather than doing cut and join. I think this shape is okay. So let's make use of these shapes. I can delete the other one. So let me see what I can do with this shape. So I think this shape is okay from the shape tool. Then I'm going to copy this exactly. I got it from here. Just come to shapes here, then click on this, select this, that's all. Then I will make another one for this one that at the top here. So I would have loved to rotate it. Let's rotate and see how it will look like, but it's not rotating, so I think we should just go with it this way. Later we can rotate. So coming here, I can just draw it again, draw it, then click OK. Then okay, you can rotate here like this. Just use your hand or your mouse to rotate it to that level. Then you can place it here. I think this is looking nice, but the image is too much, the shape is too big, so let's resize it and put it here. This is also too big. You can actually resize and put there. Then resize this as well. You can resize this way, resize this and not resize this. I think making it like this is okay. Then I would have loved to copy the other one, but let's just resize this as well and put here. So looking at our prototype, we're actually making something related to that. Let's increase the size of this as well. And put here. Okay, so we are good to go. When you're done with this, you can go to this two here, click on it, and then carry other ones down so that the prototype can come at the top. You can actually lock them since we are not making use of them for now, to avoid shaking of these. Then this is what we have. Then we can actually create other shapes. We're going to create shapes for this, and this. So but before then, let's create the one for this. So I'm going to unlock this one, and then when I unlock it, I'm going to make a copy, and I think the copy should go to back. I don't know where it is. Nope, sorry. Let's make a copy again. Okay, I don't want this video to take too long time, so just make a copy of it. Then when you make a copy, you can come here and place it where this, since this is a copy, you can come and place it here, right? Then select the copy this. When you place it there, try to lock this, then select this copied one, then let's give it a separate color, and that's when increase the shape. So I think the color should be orange. If you don't know the exact color to use, you can actually, let's give it a color first and then select from this. Okay, so coming to the color, you can actually come here, click on this icon here, this plus icon, then click on this to pick a color that matches what you need. So you need this color, select this, then click OK, then click OK as well. So you have been able to pick a color that matches what you want. So I think this is okay. Other one should come in later. So we can go and lock it now since we are giving it a color. Let's lock it. Then you can unlock this to give it its own color. So let's give it a color that matches it. So the color should be red. I think it's red, but I don't actually know if it's pure red. So let's check. Let's use our color picker to get a nice color. So this is the color. Click on it, click OK. I think you have been able to get a nice color from there. And when you are done, go and lock, please. When you are locking these, you don't want everything to scatter, especially when you're working on flyers, because things are meant to just scatter. So I think we have been able to get a nice UI from this. Then coming to here, let's click on shape tool again to get the shape for this, and this. When we are done, then we can now add the content, the text and everything. I'm going to use a placeholder text because I don't want this video to elongate too much. So in your own end, you can actually make it look nice and more eye-catchy. Although ours is looking nice in a way. So coming here, I'm going to make use of this stroke. So let's get this stroke. I think the fill color should be nothing. The fill color can be black. I'm going to add a stroke to it. Here I'm going to add a stroke of 5. I'm going to make the fill color white, no black. Then the stroke color should be white. Let's make the stroke width up to 10. So I've been able to draw this here. Then you can resize, just use your hand or mouse and resize. Then coming to this, you can just copy this and replicate. Come to shape, copy it, copy again. We have like 3 copies already. So and then place them where. So let me resize this so we can actually be seeing what we are doing from here, because that's our prototype. So we have them stacked on top of each other, so you can actually stack them on top of each other. Then increase the size, increase the size of this. Make sure you're actually working with this same size to avoid. I think it's better we recopy it again because the size might actually differ and it might not make sense. So let's delete this. Confirm you want to delete this. Then let's work on this very well. This size is okay, right? So I'm going to make use of this size. So we are going to copy again, copy. Just copy 3 times. If yours is making sense for me and you can actually not delete, just leave it that way. But I think this size is okay now. So and when you're done placing it, align it, where you can actually lock them to avoid this arrangement of everything. So here we have everything looking nice. I can click on this and change the color. I think the color you have here, I can make use of the color picker to pick the right color. Just come down, click on this, select this, then go to here. Then the image you are using, the prototype you are using is this. So select on it. Then you can actually pick a color. I think this color is okay. Then click on it. And then this is the color, right? Then it has also a border. So we're going to stop here for this. This is like the version 1 of this flyer. So we're going to continue with the version 2. In the version 2, we try to add the text, the icons, and some text related to, and I think icons and text are just what we're going to add in version 2. So see you guys in the next video.